Hello everyone and welcome back, it's CivilGuy here, and today we have an unboxing of the InnLife micro USB cables with lightning connector adapters. Well, here it is, the bag of cables. As you can tell, the packaging is very conservative. There's not really much to it, but that's okay. I mean, who needs all that extra packaging anyway? Alright, so let's go ahead and get this thing open. I'm not quite sure why I had to get scissors. After close inspection of the bag, I found out that it was actually rather easy to get this thing open than it originally appeared. Alright, so since they're in my hand now, they feel very loose. That's not a bad thing. Yeah, so based on my first impressions, I'm actually kind of liking that loose feel of the cables. These actually aren't as stiff as the Amazon Basics nylon cables that I unboxed a few months ago. So I can easily tell that I might have a little more leeway with these than what I'm used to. Okay, so as stated before, these are micro USB cables with a lightning connector adapter attached to the end. Let's say you have two different devices. If you have an Apple device and a regular Android device, and you don't want to carry two cables, this is probably what you want to get. And you know, another thing that's so cool about this is that each one of these cables comes with a plastic cap to protect each connection. I just think that's a little bit different because the cables that I'm used to unboxing, they don't really have that little plastic piece that covers each end. So that's actually pretty decent. As far as durability is concerned, these cables actually feel, like I said, very light, very loose, and as I pull on these, it doesn't seem like there's a whole lot of stress on the cable. So I have to give them an A+ for that. But now, here's the real test. Do these actually work with my iPhone and my other Android device? Let's see. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and test out cable number 1. Alright, it looks like it works to me. Okay, we're going to move on to the second cable now. Alright, so I'm going to plug it into my power bank. And let's plug it into my cell phone. And it looks like it works. Okay, so we're going to try the next one. Alright, let me unplug this and plug in the next cable. First I have to take off the plastic pieces, of course. Alright, so looks like we're in business. Okay, that works too. Alright, so now I'm going to test it out with the Android device. Now, if the phone that I'm using is a Moto G4 Play, I actually unboxed this several months back, so we're going to try it out on that phone. Alright, so let's go ahead and plug it in. And it appears it works. So these cables work with both Apple devices and Android devices. Well, from all of that, you still might be wondering, should you buy this? Well, from my honest opinion, I would say, sure, why not? I mean, you can charge both your Apple device as well as your Android device, so why not? This is really handy. You get 3 cables, and it's for a decent price. And as usual, I just want to say thank you to everybody for taking the time to watch this video. I really do hope it helped you with your future purchase of lightning cables or micro USB cables, because there are so many out there. I'm pretty sure most of the ones that I covered on this channel are really, really good. So just keep that in mind. If you have any questions, concerns, please leave a comment down below. And if you like what you saw, please give this video a like. And if you also want to subscribe, do that as well. Thank you.